Hey guys, so yesterday we ended up going to, it was a live Hot Wheels park thing. They had it at the Six Flags. So when you driving past the Six Flags, you could see a little bit of the things out. So at first I was like, I don't think it's worth the money because of the limited amount of, cars we've seen from the highway. But I ended up purchasing the tickets because Logan really wanted to go. He seen it on the news and he really wanted to go. When we got there, it took us an hour to drive through the whole park. They had so many different trucks and so many different cars. They had cars from, like, what year was it, Logan? Like 1960 something.
2017, 2018, and a whole bunch.
Yeah, and they even had recent cars. So when we went, we were able to see all of those cars. They had like dinosaur type of cars. I'm gonna try to insert some clips, and I'm gonna try to insert some pictures. I'm not sure if I took many pictures, but I know I took a few video clips. We really enjoyed ourselves. It was nice. When you go there, you pay I think it was $60 for a car load. So you pay, and then they give you a pack of Hot Wheels, a 3-pack of Hot Wheels when you go. So if you taking more than 3 kids or more than 3 boys, I would just go to maybe Walmart or Family Dollar and pick up some extra cars just so the other kids can have some, so they don't be feeling left out. Because that's what I did, because I ended up taking my nephew too. And we just had a really good time. My father-in-law was there, my brother was there, my nephew D was there, Logan was there. And then we had the girls. We had a big car, so we had the 2 girls too. So it was a whole bunch of us. So you actually got your $60 worth because it was a bunch of us. And we drove through and we seen everything, and we took, like I said, the videos. But the only thing they had that I didn't go and do, they had a photo op. I think the photo op was about $25. But you drive your car behind a Hot Wheels background, and you stay in a car and you guys take the pictures. You can't get out of the car because of COVID. So I didn't find that would be worth spending the $25. If it was something where he could get out and take pictures with the cars or take pictures with the sign, then I would have done that. But as far as me driving a car up there, or I think D drove, but instead of us just driving a car up there and taking the pictures, yeah. So that's pretty much what we did. And yesterday we also went bowling. So I'm gonna include a clip right now of bowling. It was really crowded, but they did do like the social distancing, and we went. My whole family went. Well, not my whole family. A few people in my family, we all went together, and it was a party of 16 with just us 3. With just us. So we had 3 separate lanes. We had the 3 separate lanes, and then they had 2 lanes closed on the left of us, and then they had another group of people, and then they had 2 lanes closed on the right of us. Then they had another group of people as well. But we had a really good time, and now we're heading to a barbecue, and we're gonna take you guys with us. got Logan. Fix your little shirt. You all over the place. Wait, you got your hood inside your thing. There you go. I like his little shirt. Super cute. But anywho, Logan, you went to the Hot Wheels park yesterday. How'd you like it?
Good.
What you liked about it?
There was a lot of monster trucks and cars. I think I seen a drinkster. Yeah, it was a drinkster. I was just checking. And I liked the park a whole bunch.
Yeah, it was a long park, right?
Yeah, it was super long.
Would you go back?
Yeah, yes, I would.
How many thumbs up you give it? 2. 2 thumbs up? 4 thumbs up?
I don't have 4 thumbs.
Well, thank you for your interview, young man.